Here at BRECOflex, we want you to know that we've got your back. This backing is PVC White. PVC White is made of FDA-approved PVC and is compliant with FDA CFR 21, Section 177.1680 for use in food processing. It has a hardness of approximately 48 Shor A and a coefficient of friction of 1.1. PVC White is glue bonded with a butt joint to our polyurethane timing belts, making it suitable for bidirectional conveying. Our steel, stainless steel, and Kevlar tension members provide the stiffness and accuracy needed for efficient and long-lasting conveying. PVC White comes in a standard thickness of 2 mm. Custom thicknesses of 3, 4, 5, or 6 mm are available upon request. PVC White is ideal for many food, film, and pharmaceutical applications. It is non-marking, offers high friction, is resistant to acids, bases, and salts, and has a temperature range of 5 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. BRECOflex offers over 3 dozen different backings for a multitude of conveying applications. If you need assistance determining the best backing for your application, you can download our backings catalog at www.BRECOflex.com or contact us for free engineering support at 732-460-9500. Thanks for watching.